It's your boy Rick Jesus, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so look. What I did was professionally improvise toward taking off the RT badge, man. So look, it's there right now, but it ain't gonna be that long. Cause get what? You feel me? I already got it hanging right now. I already got it hanging. Now I already got an SRT badge to replace it. What I'm about to show y'all right now. Easy. Just pop it out. I broke mine. I ain't gonna use it again. If I want to use it again, I'll just buy another one. But just pop it out, then the rest of it just come out. I guess. Oh no, never mind. You gotta get that flathead. Just break this side too. But yeah, just get in the grooves. You feel me? Until it pop. All I did was just, you feel me, popped it out just like I told y'all I was gonna do. See, I kind of broke mine right there. But I can just buy another one if I want to put the RT back on. Now this the badge I got. The SRT approved. You feel me? Oh, you gotta clean it off first. Now this alcohol and water gonna get it real spotless for you. Just, you feel me? Drench it. Get that towel. Feel me? Dry it out just a little bit. Hold on. Alright. Now find out where you gonna put it at. About like right there. Hold on. Get wet. Alright, so go and pull it. Don't take that back. My hands clean, they always clean, so you feel me, you good. You put it on there. Just like that. It's on there. Then you just go around it with the rag. Make sure it's on there all the way, just push it. You just straight pushing it. It's on there. That's all you gotta do. You feel me? I got this one Rebag design for 65. All red. So y'all go check that out. Like up and sub the video.